Hello students, I am Mr. Math teacher of LPM Public School Golam Bazar Gorakhpur. Dear students, you know in the previous video I have already explained compound interest and how to find compound interest and how to find amount. Today I will explain some question which is based on the interest compounded half yearly and also when interest calculated quarterly. So dear students, as you know, in the previous video I already explained that when interest calculated half yearly, then if time is given in the year, then we multiply time by 2 and we find time in half yearly and interest divided by 2 and we get interest half yearly. Now if you have to find out interest quarterly, then we multiply time which is given in year, then we multiply by 4 and interest divided by 4 and we get quarterly. So dear students, as I will explain question number 2 which is based on the compounded half yearly and compounded quarterly. In which question number 2 part first. Question number 2 is calculate the question number 2 part first. Calculate the compound interest. Calculate the compound interest in amount. Calculate the compound interest in amount, interest and amount. Calculate the compound interest and amount if the interest is if the interest compounded half yearly, principal equal rupees 7,000, time equal 1 whole over by 2 years, rate equal 12%. So dear students, as you see here, principal is rupees 7,000 and time equal 1 whole over by 2 years. Time equal 1 whole over by 2 years equal 2 and 2 plus 1 3 by 2 years. Here we have to find out compound interest half yearly, so I will multiply time by 2. So it will be equal to the 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 and 2. yearly. So time t equal 3 half yearly. Now equal rate equal 12%. So I will divide rate by 4. Sorry, 2. 12 by 2 and we get 6% half yearly. Now rate R equal 6% half yearly and time T equal 3 half yearly. So now amount A equal P 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Here R is rate percent and T is time and P is principal. So amount A equal value of P is 7,000 1 plus R is 6 by 100 to the power T is 3. So it will be equal to the 7,100 plus 106 by 100 to the power 3. Then it will be equal to the 7,000 2 5 are 10 and 2 3 are 6. 52 are 100. Then it will be equal to the 51 by 53 by 50 to the power 3. And it will be equal to the 7,000 multiplied here power is 3, therefore 53 by 50 multiply 53 by 50 multiply 53 by 50. Now it will equal to the 7,000 here 0 cancelled by this 0 and this 0 is cancelled by this 0 and this 0 is cancelled by this 0. Now it will be equal to the 7 multiply 53 multiply 53 multiply 53 divided by 5 का 25 5 का 125. Now first of all I will multiply 7 by 7 and 53. 53 multiplied by 7. 7 3 are 21 1 carry 2 7 5 are 35 plus 2 37. Now 371 multiplied by 53. 3 1 are 3 3 7 are 21 1 carry 2 3 3 are 9 plus 2 11 5 1 are 5 5 7 are 35 5 carry 3 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18 1 5 plus 1 6 5 plus 1 6 8 plus 1 9 90,661. Now this will multiply by 53 also. 53 3 1 are 3 3 6 are 8 carry 1 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19 9 carry 1 3 9 are 27 plus 1 28 carry 2 3 are 3 plus 2 5 5 1 are 5 5 6 are 30 0 carry 3 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33 3 carry 3 5 9 are 45 45 plus 2 48 8 carry 4 5 9 are 5 plus 4 9. It will equal to 1 8 plus 5 33 carry 1 9 plus 1 10 0 carry 1 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12 2 carry 1 8 plus 5 13 30 plus 1 13 8 plus 5 13 44, 31, 9 plus 1, 10. Then it will be equal to the 10 lakh to 2000, 10 lakh to 2031 divided by 125. Then it will be equal to the 8337.11. When you divide 1000 put 10 lakh to 2031 by 125, then we get 8337.11. This is the amount. Now we have to find out compound interest. So compound interest equal compound interest equal A minus P. Here amount is 8337.11 minus principal is 7000. Amount minus principal. Then it will equal to the rupees 1337.11. So this is the compound interest. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I'll find compound interest in amount if the interest compounded quarterly. I'll find this is question number 2 part 4, compounded quarterly. Here principal equal rupees 10,000, principal P equal rupees 10,000, time equal 6 months, rate equal 10%. Now here principal is rupees 10,000 and time equal 6 months. So first of all I will convert time in year. So time T equal 6 upon 12 equal 1/2 year. Now after this compound interest compounded quarterly, so I will multiply this by 4. 1/2 multiplied by 4, 2 to the 4, therefore 2 quarterly. Now rate is 10%, so I will multiply 10, I will divide 10 by 4, and 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4. Then it will be equal to the 5/2 quarterly. 5/2 quarterly. Now amount A equal P 10,000, 1 plus R 5/2 to the power 2, because time is 2. So it will be 5/2 upon 100, 1 plus R by 100. Therefore it will be equal to the 10,000 1 plus 5/2 200 to the power 2. It will be equal to the 10,000 here. 5 with the 5, 5 for the 20, 40. Then it will be equal to the 1 plus 1 by 40 to the power 2. And it will be equal to the 10,000 40 with the 40, 40 plus 41 by 40 to the power 2. Then it will be equal to 10,000 multiply 41 by 40 multiply 41 by 40. Now 0 cancel this 0 and this 0 cancel this 0. Now 2 to the 4 and 50 to the 100. Now 25 to the 50. Now I will multiply 25 and 41. 41 multiplied by 25. Then it will be equal to the 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20, 2 1 जा 2 and 2 4 जा 8. 5 2 8 plus 2 10. Now I will also multiply 41. 1 5 ja 5, 1 2 ja 2, 0 1. Now 4 5 ja 20, 0 2 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2 10, 4 1 ja 4, 5 2 0 2 2025. It will equal to the 2025 divided by 4. Now it will be equal to the now 2025 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 2 0, 4 5 ja 20, 2 0, 4 5 ja 4 6 ja 24, 1 0 1, 4 2 ja 8, 10,506.25 equals 10,506.25 will be the amount. Now we have to find out this amount. Therefore, compound interest equal A minus B equal 10,506.25 minus 10,000. It will equal to the 506.25 rupees. This is the compound interest. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Next video I will explain other chapter. Thank you so much.